Alright, so this video is going to take place right after the last video with the intake manifold. It's the same day. Just figured I'd make a new video for what I'm about to do. So I signed up for a car show, my first car show actually in this area since living here for 5 years. Springfest 2019, it's March 31st. I wanted to put the car in there, you know, just, I don't know, meet some people, have fun, whatever. The car needs to be cleaned up. I mean, there's a lot of small spots that are bothering me. I want to buff it, I want to clean up some stuff. I got some things on order, and I got to put the car back together and clean up the wiring, the inside, and just get it ready for the show. So let's take that journey and let's do it. So one thing that's been bugging me since I've had the car is just how grimy this back of the hood looks. I mean, this car isn't all that special in the exterior, but the motor, I mean, somewhat unique. So I like to pop my hood, and you know, this is gonna look like straight doo-doo. So I'm gonna put a lot of elbow grease in, and we're gonna get this done. So here we have it. Put some elbow grease into it. Some spots I could probably go back and touch up, but for now, I'm super impressed on how awesome this thing came out. It's really gonna complete the engine bay. Still got some things I wanna do. Let's get to it. So this next part of the video, got a very special shout out to a buddy of mine, Lazymangarage. Hooked me up with some beauty washers and some screws. I have not opened it up yet, I have not checked it out, but shout out to you, Lazymangarage. Check him out on his Instagram and on his YouTube. Awesome dude, great content, funny guy. Check him out, guys. Oh snap! Oh snap! Got me new screws! Skunk 2! Skunk 2! Awesome, dude. I'm gonna put them on right now. Let's get to it. Let's get a little time-lapse action. Another little detail I got here, hood stay. I got this idea from Right Hand Drive Kev. I saw him, he refreshed just a little hood stay part.
course, mine's gonna break. All in the details, baby. So here we go, the Skunk 2 hardware. Subtle but noticeable. You can put one there, up on this side. Like the way it looks. I think I'm gonna stop this video where it is right now, guys. Got plenty of stuff to do. Got some more parts coming in. Got a lot of cleaning to do, but little update on my K24 EG build. Let me know how you like it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check it out on Instagram, EGChris92. Later.